Have you ever looked at your investments and wondered, is this really safe? Especially in times of economic uncertainty, that question can keep you up at night. Today, we're diving into Nutmeg. Is it a safe haven for your hard-earned cash, or is it just another shiny object in the investment world? Let's find out. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of Nutmeg, let's talk about investments in general. Investing is like planting a seed. You nurture it with time, money, and patience, hoping for a beautiful harvest. But unlike gardening, where you can see your plant grow, investments are often shrouded in mystery. There are countless investment options out there: stocks, bonds, ETFs, crypto, and the list goes on. Each with its own set of risks and rewards. And then there are robo-advisors like Nutmeg, promising to simplify investing with algorithms. But is simple always safe? What is Nutmeg? Let's start with the basics. Nutmeg is a digital wealth management platform. It uses algorithms to build and manage investment portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Sounds great, right? You don't need to be a financial wizard to invest. But is it too good to be true? Safety first. When it comes to investments, safety is paramount. Your hard-earned money deserves protection. So, is your money safe with Nutmeg? Regulation and security. The first line of defense is regulation. Nutmeg is authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. This means they adhere to strict financial rules and regulations. But regulation isn't everything. Cybersecurity is crucial in today's digital world. How does Nutmeg protect your personal and financial information? Investment protection. Your investments are spread across various assets, which is a good thing. Diversification helps reduce risk. But how diversified are Nutmeg's portfolios? Are they exposed to risky assets? Understanding the underlying investments is key. Risk tolerance and portfolio alignment. Nutmeg claims to tailor portfolios based on your risk tolerance. But how accurate are their assessments? Is your portfolio truly aligned with your risk appetite? A portfolio that's too risky can lead to sleepless nights, while one that's too conservative might not grow as fast as you'd like. Fees and costs. Investing isn't free. Nutmeg charges fees for its services. Are these fees justified? How do they compare to traditional investment management? Hidden fees can erode your returns, so it's essential to understand the cost structure. Customer support. Investments can be complex. What kind of support does Nutmeg offer? Are their customer service representatives knowledgeable and helpful? Having someone to turn to when you have questions is invaluable. Alternatives to Nutmeg. Nutmeg isn't the only game in town. There are other robo-advisors and traditional wealth managers. It's essential to compare options to find the best fit for your needs and risk tolerance. Is Nutmeg right for you? Ultimately, deciding whether Nutmeg is safe for your money depends on your individual circumstances. Consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment knowledge. If you're comfortable with the level of risk and the fees, Nutmeg could be a viable option. Investing is a journey, not a destination. It's essential to do your research and understand the risks involved. Nutmeg can be a convenient way to start investing, but it's not a guaranteed path to wealth. Diversify your investments, monitor your portfolio regularly, and don't hesitate to seek professional advice if needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.